So today we'll be studying about biogeology. So what is biogeology? Biogeology is the study of the interaction of life with the earth, the biosphere. So the biosphere is composed of all the ecosystem on earth where there is life. So the biosphere is composed of all the ecosystem on earth where there is life. So it contains three systems. So the biosphere consists of three systems, that is the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and the lithosphere. The atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of layers of gases that surround the earth. These layers provide living things with air to breathe, trap heat to warm earth, and create a protective layer from the sun. So this protective layer is called the ozone layer. So the layers of the atmosphere. So the first layer is the troposphere, then stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. So troposphere is the layer in which we live and weather occurs. Then stratosphere. Stratosphere is the layer in which the ozone is found, protecting us from UV light. So the ozone layer protects us from UV light from the sun. Mesosphere. So mesosphere is the coldest layer, thermosphere is the hottest layer. Now, Mesosphere is the coldest layer, which protects us from meteors because they burn up in this layer. Thermosphere, this is the hottest layer because it absorbs the sun's radiation. So, thermosphere is the hottest layer because it absorbs the sun's radiation. Aurora occurs in this layer. So, aurora or northern light occurs in thermosphere. Then, exosphere is the final layer that stretches into space and houses satellites. The hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is made up of all the water found on, under, and above the Earth's surface. This water can be found as liquid, vapor, or ice and makes up the water cycle on Earth. So, where is the hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is anywhere where you can find water. So, now we'll discuss water cycle. So, first of all, glaciers melt. Glaciers melt to form oceans. Then water from oceans flow to groundwater or river. Then evaporation occurs and water vapor rises and it condenses to form cloud. So evaporation occurs and water vapor rises to form clouds by condensation. Then rainy occurs and water is then again returned to oceans, lakes or rivers due to raining. And also oceans can freeze due to low temperature to form glaciers by freezing. The biosphere consists of three systems, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The lithosphere. The lithosphere is the outer layer of the earth made up of crust and upper mantle. So the lithosphere is the outer layer of the earth and consists of crust, that is the crust, and the upper mantle. These layers provide plant with nutrients needed to grow and contain different rocks from the rock cycle. So the lithosphere, there are two types of lithosphere, continental lithosphere and oceanic lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into plates and is often known for its plate tectonics, the movement that causes earthquake, volcanoes, and create various landmarks. So plate tectonic movement causes earthquake, volcano, and various landmarks. Conclusion: the three systems of the biosphere allow life to sustain itself on Earth and provide us with important details regarding the Earth's system.